1.
Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to use a solution line, how to connect and disconnect. When you're cleaning carpets, you don't always connect to the wand. Most of the time it's connected to the wand. Other times you need to maybe use the hydroforce, switch it out, or for whatever reason you can't connect. So I want to show you how that works. So when you're cleaning, you're going to have this shutoff valve open so you can clean, right? But when you disconnect, what you have to do is you need to turn this off. And then there's going to be pressure built in from here onto here before you disconnect. So what you're going to do is release the pressure. So you're going to go like that, and that'll release the pressure in here for you to disconnect. When you connect it back, sometimes the pressure built up, or maybe you forgot you turned this on and now you turned it off. So when you put it back on, don't just like put it on the ground because it's really difficult. Have the wand facing this side, facing you like this. So you have support right here. And then you would take this should be off preferably. And then you would just take this, move this back. So if you can see that, go like this, snap it into place. This way there's support right here and you can put good pressure on it without it falling apart. So basically disconnect, you put on off, release the pressure, disconnect, and connect it when it's hard, when there's pressure built up. You would go like this. You can also release this if you like, but it's hard to do with one hand. So you can just go like that and snap it into place. Another place to release the pressure, if you have the vortex light, is down here. So this is generally used for priming, but if you turn this on, it basically will move the pressure from here, and the pressure will go into your freshwater tank. It's basically recirculating it. So now the pressure will be gone from here. And let's just say you're going to connect. Let's just say there's pressure built up in there and built up in your hose too. So this hose, that nipple, is not going to get depressed because there's too much pressure in here. So when I try to connect, it doesn't connect. So if that's the case, you may want to move that down a little bit to the cement floor. I'm going to show you how to release the pressure on the cement floor. So you see this nipple? I'm going to go down like this and I'm going to press this nipple onto the cement. As you can see, there's some water that came out. So basically what that's doing is releasing the pressure that's built up in here. So when you connect this to that, it's super easy to connect. All right. Now I'm going to do it with real pressure. So you guys know that this can be kind of hard sometimes. So I'm going to turn the pressure on. It's already at 800, you'll see. So basically what I'm doing is I'm turning on the pressure pump. And that's going to have 800 PSI, and we can see it on the gauge. Pressure's on, coming out of there. I'm going to close this. It's at 800 PSI. So when you're working this one, if you happen to have it open on prime, you need to close this. So now I'm getting truly 800 PSI. Now, let's just say I want to disconnect it like this. It's going to be really difficult, right? So I want to probably turn this off. Then I want to release the pressure because I'm trying to get rid of the pressure built up in here. And then I'll just disconnect it. To disconnect it, I'll go like this, move this back, and pull it out. Now, for me to connect it, it should be pretty easy because this is already locked out the pressure. The pressure is not in here anymore. So I go like this and I connect it. But let's just say the pressure is on. So like I'll turn this on. So now there's pressure built up in here. So it's going to be really hard for me to connect. So if I wanted to do that, I want to go like this. And then I may want to release the pressure here because I want that water that's trapped in there to maybe have a way to go down. And then I just go like this. But you see how hard it is for me to connect it? Because this is open. So what I can do is close it, make it a little easier, and then I want to connect like this, but I have to hold this down because there's so much pressure in the middle. You see that? And then it connected. So now I'm ready to clean. So now I can go back, open this. I'm ready to go. All right, that's it. Thank you.